Calculus, welcome to our class for today. I have this problem that is my question for me and also I hope for you too. So the topic is the derivative as a function. If fx is equals x to the third power minus x, find the formula for f prime of x. I mean this for the derivative. Also, we have to illustrate this formula by comparing the graph of f and f prime. I mean, for the function and the derivative. Okay. In the process, for instance, we have some main clue before to solve our problem. So, in the precedent, we consider the derivative, right? Of a function f at fixed number A. Okay, so then we have the formula here, this main formula for the derivative. We consider the f prime, I told you, of A. So this is very important. So limit of f of A plus h minus f of A divided by h when h approaches to 0. So this is very important. Here, so this is a main point. Here we change that's very important, our point. Okay, of view. So why? And let the number vary. Okay, so if we replace we have to find another formula. A in, so this is A, let's write with a different color. We're talking about A in equation 1. So this is the equation 1. In equation 1. This is the equation number 1. All right. So by variable x, and then we obtain the next. Now this is the derivative f prime of x. Now equals limit of since we change, we will have f of x plus h minus f of x, all right, divided by divided by h when h approaches to 0. See, so this is the derivative. Actually, this is the concept of the derivative right now. Okay, so since we have this important information, we are able to solve our problem now. So the solution to our problem. Okay, how solution? When using equation 2, remember the equation 2 that we did it? Computed the derivative. We must remember that the variable is h. Remember that we did, the variable is h. So, and that x is temporarily regarded as a constant during the calculation of the limit. We have then, let's write it right here. f prime, I mean, this is the derivative of x. Remember, we changed in the concept, remember, I did it before. So, the derivative of, we will have then here limit. So, limit of, it's long process here, f of x plus h, right, minus f of x, divided by h when h approaches to 0. We have it there. Then this is will be equals to limit. Also, we have a long process right here. So we will write it right here, open crochet, here x plus h to the third power, okay? Minus, here, we will have x plus h, all right? Close the crochet, here, minus, here we will have x to the third power minus x, divided by h, when h approaches to 0, right? This is the first step. So next step we will have also limit, but now it's a very long process right here. We will have x to the third power now when you develop this. So this is the next step, okay? Plus 3x to the second power h plus 3h x to the second power, see? Plus h to the third power, right? Minus x minus h minus x to the third power plus x, okay? So everything divided by h when h approaches to 0, okay? Then if we simplify that fraction, we will have limit of this is a 3x to the second power h plus 3x h to the second power plus h to the third power minus h divided by h when h approaches to 0, right? See? So listen, this is very important. So now the derivative, our conclusion will be have then a limit of h plus when h when h approaches to 0. So we will have now it's the derivative is our conclusion now. So we will have open parenthesis here 3x to the second power plus 3x h plus h to the second power, all right? Minus 1. So this is equals, as if you simplify 3x to the second power minus 1. That's the derivative of our function here. So we did the first problem. So I mean the A. If f of x equals x to the third power minus x, find the formula for f prime of x, I mean for the derivative. This is the formula for the derivative, okay? That's ready. So now the second, illustrated the formula by comparing the graph of f and f prime. So let me erase here and let's make some graph. Let me do the graph to show you in the graph. So this is the answer. I already finished it. So let me do here two little graph. I will to make this two little graph like this. Okay. I illustrated our problem. Okay, so this graph is divided by like this. Okay, are the same. So so we have some numbers. The first one we have a -2 right here. This side. This is a 2 right here. And then in the top we will have 2 right here, and then we have negative 2. The second one, same thing, negative 2 right here, and then 2 in the right, and then on top is 2 and negative 2. Okay, so now let me show you. In the first sign, the graph is running like this. Look at this. It's running like it's cross to this point, like this. It's running like here, and then it's little down right here. It's exactly in this point. This is a first graph to compare. This is a point B. Okay, so illustrated. So here this is f. This is the first one. I mean the function. This is f. All right. This is f. So what about the second one? Let's do the second one. The second one graph is running like this. It's also starting this point, all the way to here, all the way here. So this graph is the second one. This means, so if the derivative, see the difference of the graph? The graphs look like that in that way. If we found the formula, but the derivative is like this. See? I hope you understand, because that was a problem for me, my question. So I like to share with you guys these kind of problems that I like it in calculus, college. All right, college calculus. So thank you so much. I'm waiting for you next time. Thank you. See you tomorrow.